Now, very good morning to students of standard 6th. We have just started our new chapter that was in science. Okay, we have started a new chapter in science also. We can say our new semester also started. Okay, you have just moved from 5th standard to 6th standard. Okay, now the level of science will also increase. Okay, first of all, in this science, you should have one textbook of 6th standard science, and the next thing is that you should always keep a notebook of a science with you. So whenever we are just discussing anything that you can write, or while watching the video you can write the main points in the notebooks. Okay, and if I give some homework of science, then that also you can copy in your science notebook. Okay students, so I have just told in previous lecture also, and we have just completed that one of the lesson, that is lesson chapter number 1, food and where it comes from. Okay, and we have just discussed the many ways. Okay, we have just discussed the many ways that food is grown where, and where it comes from. Okay, and how it is useful to us. Okay, how the humans are using it, how the animals are using all this food, why the food is needed by our body. If we will not eat, then what happens? All these things we can imagine in this chapter, and in previous chapter we have just had information about the food and where it comes from. Okay, we have just talked about the chain process. Okay, हमने जो चेन प्रोसेस एक बात मैंने की थी फर्स्ट या सेकंड लेक्चर में मैंने की थी, वो भी चैप्टर 1 का. तो उसमें क्या एक प्रोसेस होता है वो भी मैंने आपको समझाया था. ये जो फार्मर होते हैं तो फार्मर क्या करते हैं, तो पहले वो सब कुछ उगाते हैं, फिर मार्केट को देते हैं, तो मार्केट वाले सब लेके इंडस्ट्रीज़ को देते हैं, इंडस्ट्रीज सब कुछ अच्छा करके उसको यूटिलाइज हमारे घर पे अच्छी तरह यूटिलाइज हम कर सकते हैं. तो उस वो सब कुछ जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, तो वो प्रोडक्ट को अच्छी तरह वो पॉलिश करता है, और फिर कुछ वीड्स उसमें भी रहता है, तो वो वीड्स निकलता है, और सब कुछ अच्छे करके हमें पैक करके शॉपकीपर फ्रॉम द मार्केट इट गोज़ टू द शॉपकीपर, एंड फ्रॉम शॉपकीपर वी कैन बाय इट. Okay, so this is a process of a food that we get from a farm to the shop. Okay, it moved from farm to a shop. So we can just say that we have understood that food and how it is important in our day-to-day life also, that we will see in this chapter. And we have just talked about the ingredients. Okay, that will be also used, or that we will also use that word ingredients in this chapter, in chapter number 2. Okay students, and we have just talked about the carnivorous, omnivorous and herbivorous animals. Okay, and we have just differentiate it according to their diet. Now this chapter, it is about also of food. Okay, our food. Okay, this chapter number 2 that we are just going to start this chapter is food, and we can say that it is about the components of food. Okay, the food, the whole thing that we eat, it is known as a food. Now what do you mean by components of food? कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो चीज़ फूड बनाने में हमें काम लगती है, या हम दूसरी तरह अगर सोचें तो कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फूड, तो जो फूड हम खाते हैं तो उसमें क्या कौन सी चीज़ उसके अंदर है जो हमारे शरीर को उसकी यूज़, जो हम खाते हैं उसका हम यूज़ कर सकते हैं. Our body is needed of all that things which is present in the food. There are many components present in the food which is need by our body regularly. Okay, if sometimes some food we are not eating, then that component in our body is going to be miss, and we will feel sickness and other diseases also happens in our, means we will be in illness. Okay, हमें कुछ अच्छा नहीं लगता, कभी कभी एक चीज़ हम खाने में हमें भूल जाते हैं, और या 2-3 या चीज़ ऐसी चीज़ होती है जो हमारे बॉडी को रोज़ रोज़ बेरोज़ ज़रूरी होता है, वो हम अगर नहीं लेते हमारे खाने में तो हमारी बॉडी को क्या होता है, तो वो इलनेस में चला जाता है, तो वो हमें पता है. नाउ this chapter components of food. Okay, we have just made many list of food in chapter number 1, and we have also divided into lunch, and we have divided that food about the grains, vegetables, fruits and all these things. Okay, so from that only we are just going to start our chapter. Okay, if we are eating the meal, that the meal contains, what does the meal contains? Meal contains chapati, dal है, फिर क्या है, ब्रिंजल करी है. अच्छी तरह अगर हम रात को ब्रिंजल करी खाते हैं, दाल चपाटी एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ओके, हम दोपहर को भी एक खा सकते हैं, चपाटी दाल, देन ब्रिंजल करी एंड राइस. ओके, वी आर ईटिंग. ओके, दैट इज अ डिफरेंट मील. ओके, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट आवर ब्रेकफास्ट, ओके, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट ब्रेकफास्ट, देन देर विल बी अ स्लाइट चेंज इन आवर मील्स. यस, इट विल बी अ स्लाइट चेंज इन आवर मील्स. Yes or no? Yes. That breakfast is soft and not heavy. Okay, we are not taking heavy breakfast. We are just taking little amount of breakfast. Okay, and drinking a milk also in a breakfast. Then, if we talk about evening, then evening dinner. If we talk about evening dinner, then that is also different from the lunch also. Yes or no? So we are preparing three different types of breakfast, lunch and dinner. We are not having the same menu. Why? Because why we are not having the same menu in the morning, in the lunch, at the lunch and in evening? Because we need change. Okay, we like to eat different foods. We like to eat different food, but we don't know that this food contains different types of components in it. That's why we are eating different types of food in different ways, breakfast or lunch or a dinner. Okay, so and some are eating upma, fish curry and veg, some are eating meals, egg and like this. Okay, yes or no? Yes, they are eating all these things. Okay, in our day to day life, we are eating all these things in our day to day life. Okay, from that we can just write activity number 1 that is given in your textbook. Okay, okay, so it is discussed that in India, as the culture is, we are seeing a variety of culture in our India. Okay, according to that also we have just talked, or we have just learned in first chapter also. I also said that our India is a varied culture, so we are having a variety type of food in our India. Okay, I have just talked about the food that is available in Gujarat. In that also a Saurashtra region, which is the region that we are living here. This is known as a Saurashtra region. Okay, so in Saurashtra region, in Gujarat region, in Uttar Gujarat region and South Gujarat. Okay, all, if people of this all 4 regions will gather at one place, then having a dinner, for gathering and having a dinner, and if they open their dinner at that time, you will see a different type of food. A small state is there, then also they are having a different types of food. Okay, and India is a vast country having a more population, and in that also they are having a variety of festivals, religions. So our food is also divided into a many different types. Yes or no? Yes, we are getting different types of food. In table number 1, they have given 2 examples. One is given the example of Punjab या Haryana, या दूसरा is UP, Uttar Pradesh. Okay, what they are taking more? Punjabis are drinking लच्छीस एंड जो मकाई का जो रोटी बनती है ना, वो सब कुछ वो खाते हैं. फिर यूपी के लोग हैं तो वो भी ग्रेन्स, वो सब कुछ खाते हैं. ओके, एंड यू हैव टू फिल वन ऑफ द बॉक्स अकॉर्डिंग टू योर सेल्फ. You can take an example of our Gujarat and write the items that we are eating in our day to day life. Okay. Now after that, some items, if we just see our food, one of the food from breakfast, lunch and dinner, one of the items in our dish would be made up of grains. Yes or no? Yes, some grain, pulses, cereals, okay, some like that. Some of the one of the food will be made up from these all things. Okay, and other things are buttermilk, milk, then buttermilk, milk and pickles, and all these things are present. Yes or no? Then why we are eating all these food different? Okay, why we are taking all these things differently? If there will be only one grain, then we can eat chapati and grain. Okay, why we are having one buttermilk beside our dish, then sambar is there. Okay, all these things, why we are eating all these things? Then cucumber is there also. Yes or no? Salad is there, vegetable salad is there. Then why we are just eating all these things at the same time? There should be a question arised in your mind that why we are eating all these things. Do we like that's why we are eating? Do it helps our body for growing, for making our mind more powerful? Our growth is there in this food. That's why we are eating all these things. There should be a variety of different types of questions in your mind, so you can do it. Yes. And these questions may be arised in your mind that why we are taking all the foods. So, why we are eating all this food? Why we are eating all this food? Do we like all this food? If we like one of the Punjabis, okay, most Punjabis, then we cannot eat that Punjabi in our every meal, or we cannot eat that Punjabis every day. We cannot eat pizza every day. We cannot eat the burger every day. Yes, yes. Why we cannot eat all these things? The food which we like the most, we cannot eat every day. Why? Because it contains some of the components in it, but which component it does not contain, that components where you will get from other food. So you have to try another food also. So these questions may be arising in your mind, or you should make some questions in your mind also. Why we are eating all this food? To live a healthy life, to sustain our body towards the environment. Yes or no? Yes. So all these are the questions that we are going to have answers in this chapter. Okay. Now after that we are seeing the 2.1. Okay. What do different food item contains? What do different food item contains? Now different food in all over India and all over world contains different types of components. Okay, today we are just going to learn about that components in this chapter. Which components it may be? The dish made up of ingredients get from plants and animals. If we talk about the ingredients that we have just studied in our chapter number 1, इंग्रेडिएंट्स का मतलब क्या होता है कि जो चीज़ हम बनाते हैं तो वो चीज़ बनाने में कौन सी चीज़ उपयोग हुई है, तो वो सारी चीज़ को हम क्या बोलेंगे? इंग्रेडिएंट्स. द थिंग्स दैट आर यूज टू मेक वन थिंग, होल वन थिंग, एंड दैट थिंग्स आर नोन एज ingredients, okay, to prepare one food. Now after that we are seeing that ingredient is, if we say that a food we are making it at our homes, it is made by some ingredients, okay, ingredients of the masalas and all these things, okay, and ingredients of plants, yes or no, vegetables, all these things, that dish is prepared from all these things. Now what does it contains? What does this food contains? That is the main thing. What these ingredients contains in it? So all these ingredients contain some of the components that are needed by our body. Okay, these ingredients contain some of the components which are useful for our body. Yes or no? if someone's eyesight is lower, having a spectacles like me, then some are giving the advice that you should eat green vegetables. Yes or no? Yes. Some are saying that you should eat much carrot. Yes or no? Why they are saying like that? Why a people who are having a low vision and having a spectacles are advised to eat green vegetable and carrot? Why? Because some of the nutrients and vitamins are present in green vegetables and carrot, which are useful for our eyes. That's why they are advising us to eat green vegetables and carrot. Yes or no? Yes. So if you think that why we are eating the different foods, why we are making this much hard work to prepare some foods, every day our mother is performing a new dish for us. Yes or yes, they are preparing a new dish for us. So we were at these ingredients. In these ingredients there are components which are useful or which are needed by our body. These components are known as nutrients. What does it mean? It is called nutrients. Okay. Now which are the nutrients that our body needs? Some of the basic nutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fats. Okay. So these are the components which are present in the ingredients of the food. Okay. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Okay. Carbohydrates, then proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Now vitamins are many types of vitamins, sub-vitamins. Okay. In vitamins, this is a one word vitamin, but in vitamin there are many vitamins included. Okay. Vitamin A, vitamin B, C, D, okay, K, B, like that. Okay. मिनरल्स है, फिर प्रोटीन्स है, तो प्रोटीन्स में भी कौन सी चीज़ से हमें ज़्यादा प्रोटीन्स मिलता है. फिर क्या है? फैट्स. तो फैट्स कौन सी चीज़ से हमें फैट्स मिलता है? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स है, तो वो कौन सी चीज़ से हमें कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स मिलता है. तो जो हम डिफरेंट टाइप्स के फूड हम जो खाते हैं हमारे डेली लाइफ में, तो हमें ये सब कुछ मिलता है वहाँ पे. ये सब जो फूड हम खाते हैं ना, तो उसमें से हमें क्या मिलता है? ये सारे चीज़ें हमें वहाँ से मिलती है. Yes or no? Yes. For that's why we are eating different types of food. If one of the item that consists of carbohydrates and proteins we are not eating in our day-to-day life, then our body will feel weakness. We have to move towards a doctor, and doctor will provide medicines which contains vitamin, carbohydrates or proteins or vitamins, tablets. So we should always eat the healthy food. It is said that in this coronavirus pandemic, the doctor were always advising us to eat the hot things that is made at our homes, and you have to eat more and more things. The person who is affected with the corona, they felt like their taste was gone. Okay. They didn't have any taste in their mouth. If you will give any food, any Punjabi, if you give any fruit, then they are not having any taste and smell of that things. But then also, what does doctor said? That doctor said that you should always eat. You should try to eat. If you like anything which is your favorite food, that also you have to eat. But your stomach should not be empty. Why? Because if your stomach is empty, if you are not taking food, because of the taste is not there in your mouth, that's why, then your body will not perform anything against the coronavirus bacteria. Okay. They will not fight against the coronavirus bacteria. And the medicine that doctors are giving, that will also not affect our body if we are not eating. Then you can see that if we are not eating some of the food which are rich in the minerals, vitamins, proteins, fats and carbohydrates, then our body will not grow in a proper way. Yes or no? Yes. So this is for this you should eat each and every vegetables, okay, that is cooked by your mom and at your homes also. So if you will take all these vegetables, chapatis, dal and grains, pulse, cereals, pickles, buttermilk, milk, then your body growth will be more proper. This is the best way to eat all these things, to get all these